Today we are in one of my favorite North County beach towns, Encinitas, and we're just about a mile or so east of the 5, just south of Encinitas Boulevard, in a really cool conclave because most of the homes in this neighborhood were built in the 50s, 60s, and 70s. Not this community of 13 homes. They were all built just in 2019. They're practically brand new and they've got ocean views. Let's go inside and see if you think this pristine property is worth the nearly $4 million asking price. Let's go tour 664 Seabridge Court right here in Encinitas. There's lots to say about this property, but let's get the basics out. It's 5 beds, 4 baths, 4,144 square feet, and it's nearly brand new. It's built in 2019, but this house has more than all the amazing amenities. I mean, we've got pool, spa, we've got an outdoor fireplace. We're capturing sunsets with views over the ocean, but more importantly, you're 5-10 minutes from Moonlight Beach. You're close to everything the Coast Highway has to offer. This house exudes coastal luxury and beach lifestyle. Let's continue to check it out. Before we go outside, we have to take notice of this amazing floor plan. As you walk in from the front door, you have your main living room here. Of course, your gigantic island in the kitchen that's open to the dining room with an extra room that could be almost anything you need over there. It could be an office, it could be a guest room, although we do have a proper downstairs primary just that way that we'll catch before we go upstairs. But you've got all kinds of options down here. Then it flows straight outside. I mean, this is perfect for entertaining. Out here you've got another dining room and you've got another living room, if you will, with a fireplace. And then you've got another seating area to take advantage of the ocean views or to watch the kids play in the pool. I don't want to gloss over this kitchen. I mean, it is impressive. We've got the leathered granite slab all over the place. Of course, high-end Wolf appliances. You're not going to get much better than that. You've got a built-in wine cooler over here. And one of my favorite features is paneled appliances. This looks like cabinetry. It's your refrigerator. Every kitchen needs a solid pantry. This one you can walk into. Need a little privacy when you've got guests coming over? Usually we just gloss over the garage, but this one is worth mentioning. We've got a Tesla charger, we've got efficient wall rack storage, we've got a sauna, and we've got finished cabinetry that looks like it ought to be on the inside of a home and not out in the garage. Of course, the epoxy flooring is a nice touch, and room for 3 cars plus is always welcomed. Now we're gonna go upstairs and check out the rest of this home, but before we do, we have to notice that we have Toto toilets in every single commode in this house, and we've got a downstairs primary that is certainly worth taking a moment to check out. It's a complete sanctuary. You've got your own bathroom, you've got a full walk-in closet, and a bit of privacy in this large 4,000 square foot home. It's worth pointing out this beautiful white oak flooring that is carried throughout the home, both upstairs and down. And upstairs we have 3 more bedrooms plus the primary suite, but we will save that one for last. Each one of these rooms has a large walk-in closet, really high ceilings, and tons of natural light. These two actually share a Jack and Jill. If you exclude the Jack and Jill right there, you have your 3rd complete ensuite bedroom and bath combo right here facing the east. But this is what you came to see. The primary suite with ocean views, tons of space in the bathroom, flooded with natural light, high ceilings. This is what you're looking for in coastal luxury. having dueling walk-in closets to call your own is a pretty nice feature. Not to mention having one of them looking out over the Pacific.